ClickSmart Plus. How to add actions to your Smart Scenario switch. Before adding actions, make sure you have the Smart Scenario switch set up and paired to the app along with a number of devices. On the Smart Scenario switch screen, select the button you want to set an action for. Press the Add Tap to Run at the bottom of the screen. Select the button press type. Then create Tap to Run. Add a device by pressing the blue plus Tap Device. Choose the device you wish to use. Select the function. For a switch, this could be on, off, or reverse switch. Tap Next. You can now review your Tap to Run. By adding a further task, you can add another device to work with Tap to Run. For ease of use, we recommend changing the name of your Tap to Run. Tap Save. Your Tap to Run action has been successfully created for the selected button and press type. This process can be repeated to add multiple Tap to Run actions across the two buttons and button press types. A Tap to Run will only do the action created. It cannot reverse the action or delay. To reverse the Tap to Run, you will need to create another Tap to Run with the opposite settings. For example, a single click of button 1 to turn the lights off and a single click of button 2 to turn the lights on. All ClickSmart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter.